In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert links in rich text modules in HubSpot so you can guide users to the right pages and improve your content. Start by opening your HubSpot dashboard and going to the content editor, whether it's a website page, blog post, or email. Once inside, click on the rich text module where you want to add your link. Next, type the text you want to turn into a clickable link, also known as anchor text. Highlight that text, then click the link icon in the toolbar, which looks like a chain. In the link settings window, enter the URL you want to link to. You can choose whether it's an external page, another HubSpot page, or even a section on the same page. If you are linking to an external site, it's a good idea to enable the option to open the link in a new tab so users don't leave your page completely. Once everything is set, click Insert and your text will become a clickable link. You can always click on it again later to edit or update the link if needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a link in a rich text module in HubSpot to make your content more interactive and useful.